Welcome to this video, guys, with a face for radio and a voice for printed media. I don't usually do videos, but I was so impressed with the first order I got from Art of Aqua that I decided to do a little unboxing video. I'm really excited for this order because it contains extreme blue bolts and tangerine tigers, two of the caridinas species that I believe is a cornerstone for anyone that wants to play with genes and color morphs when breeding caridinas, and especially for the tribee and the tibee lines. So I hope for good quality so we can start playing with some shrimps. So let's have a look. Now, I was supposed to only collect this over the weekend, but like a kid before Christmas, I couldn't wait. So they did a rush packing for me, so I don't expect there to be a lot of packing materials in there. I put some pressure on Francois to get it ready for me faster than they were supposed to. It just came out of the quarantine after they imported. So let's have a look. Alright. So usually when they pack it for couriering, shipping, there will be some newspaper or something in to provide a bit more stability when it comes to temperatures. What do we have here? Okay, just trying to focus. It looks like it's the Mosuras I ordered, King Kong Mosuras. Looks like there's already been some blue bolt blood in there. Okay. These are the blue bolts, the extreme blue bolts. Oh, they're very dark. We'll see once they're in the tank, the color should pop a bit more. They've been in this cooler for a while now. I went and I collected it on my lunch hour. Okay, and here are the tangerine tigers. I think that's just a molt in there. Yeah. So far so good. It looks like decent size. The coloring is a bit faded, but it's mostly because of the shipping and being in the cooler for such a while. We'll start drip acclimating them now, and once they're in the tank, they should color up a bit better, and then we'll have some more footage. Okay, see you now. Okay guys, we're in the fish room now. Firstly, I want to apologize for the background noise. Air pumps and sponge filters. Most hobbyists would know that's by now our background noise of choice. Anyway, there's not a lot I can do about it now, so please bear with me. It is what it is. Okay, so we're going to drip acclimate the shrimp, as I said. It's still a very highly debatable option or discussion point amongst hobbyists, whether you should drip acclimate or plop and drop, but that's a discussion for another day. Just at this point, I'm going to drip acclimate the shrimp because I believe that's the best option for them now. Okay, I'm using my little Trifasciata breeding tank as my tabletop. Don't really have a lot of space in here, so make do with what you've got. Okay, so let's get the ball rolling. Okay, what do we have first? Okay, the tangerine tigers. Okay. Just make sure there's Nothing left in the bag. Okay. Okay, so they'll be going into this tank. I'm actually quite excited about this because this is the first time I'm using a caridina swirl. I've heard great things about it, so I'm interested to see how it goes and to test it out. So let's get the ball rolling. Okay. Okay, now I like to slowly drip the water in. I usually do like, what's it like, a drop every second and a half. So what's going to happen is I'm going to drop that in and wait for it to fill up, then I'll throw out half the water and then I'll wait for it to fill up again. So it would, I would say, would take about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So you can see there's already amazing color on them, and that is just a molt. So just take that out. Okay, so yeah, there's 10 in there. Okay, so now the next one, okay, it's going to be the blue balls and the Mosuras. Okay, so next will be the blue balls and the Mosuras. Blue balls will go into this tank and Mosuras into that one. The swirl I used in here was Shrimp King swirl. It's tried and tested for me, so especially with the extreme blue balls, didn't want to risk anything, so I went with what I know. Okay, so what do we have here first? Let's take this one. This will be the blue bolts. All right. Let's just put the camera down. Also just make sure that there's nothing in there. Okay, this is the first time I'm doing this, so if my hand's in the way or focus is out of camera shot, I do apologize. I'll try and get better. This one just... See, the camera is all over the show. It's quite bad when you've got two left hands and you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so there's the blue bolts. You can see a very nice deep color. Very excited about them. Oh, also the other nice thing about out of Aqua is you'll see the small little white balls in there. They throw purigen into all the bags to absorb all the ammonia and anything that might occur during shipping. Okay, so now the last one, the Mosuras. I got these ones, and on the previous order the spotted German pintos, basically just to play with the blue balls and to see if I can get any shadow variants out of it. So I'm very excited about that. So this last one ready and open. Now I can see on these Mosuras there's already a few of them that's got a very nice blue tinge to them. So there's already some blue ball genes into this line, so might make things a bit easier. If you have a look, you can see the one right in the corner. You can see the white one, and then the blue one right in front of it. There's another blue one there, the back corner, one with a blue tinge in the front. So there's already been some work done to this line. Just get here, start the siphon. That's a bit quick. That's about it. Okay, so there's that one going, and that one's going a bit fast. Okay, so like I said, I'd like to drip it up, fill the container, throw half the water out, and then fill it up again, and then I'll scoop the shrimp out. Okay, so that's going to take about 2 hours, but I'm going to cut it here, and you'll be back shortly. Okay guys, welcome back. It's been about 2.5 hours now, and all the shrimps have been drip acclimated, so it's time to put them in the tanks. I already put the King Kong Mosuras and the blue bolts in the tank, or in their respective tanks. Just gonna do the tangerines now. I thought let's just do one of them. There's no point in me showing you putting everything in, because I'm not sure how good I'm gonna be operating the camera while doing the netting. So rather just make a fool of myself once than trying to do it with all 3 types. So okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. First few out. Oops. As you can see, I'm not the world's best at this. So having you guys suffer through all three types would have been a nightmare. Okay, that's that. Okay, so they're probably going to take some time to color up. Let's just get the water off the glass here. So there's one going there. It's going to be quite fun to spot them on this Aqua Taiwan swirl, especially the little shrimplets, even when they do get to breed. See, there's the one tangerine there on the rock. As for the soil, that's going to be fun. Obviously now with all these hiding places, trying to spot them, almost impossible. There's one there right at the back. Okay, so far so good. Let's go have a look at the other ones. They'll probably be easier to spot. Firstly, the Mosuras. You can see there's already a lot of blue in some of them, so it's gonna make my job a little bit easier, I hope, getting them some shadow Mosuras out of them. That one also has some nice blue in it. And then that one is pure white. So it's about a 50-50 split that I saw in here, that's got like the blue tinge to it, and some that are completely white. That one also has some blue to it, which you can't really see on the video. That one as well. Okay. And there's that tank, and then blue bolts. I'm really happy with these ones. I mean, just look at the coloring on that, and I just added them to this tank. Trying to focus, and just look at the coloring on that one. Almost has like a metallic blue shine to it. Obviously the phone won't want to zoom in that far. So I'm really quite happy with the order and with the quality of the shrimp. So just a quick video to show you guys the quality of the Art of Aqua livestock. Here's the white one. On focus. So yeah, huge thank you to Francois for the import and for the order. As you guys can see, very nice quality of livestock. So yeah, do yourself a favor and get some. Right. And for a first time video, if you guys made it this far, thank you very much. I hope I didn't screw up too much. Obviously, if you've got any pointers or any advice as to how I can make it better, or what you want to see, please drop me a comment or send me a message, and I'll try and accommodate you. Thank you very much. Cheers.